Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're someone who's into fitness or trying to lead a healthy lifestyle, then you know the importance of pre- and post-workout snacks. In this video, we'll be sharing some healthy snack ideas that you can have before and after your workout. Let's get started. Pre-workout snacks. First up, let's talk about pre-workout snacks. These are the foods that you can eat before your workout to give you energy and help you perform better. Here are some ideas. 1. Banana with peanut butter. Bananas are a great source of natural sugars that can give you the quick energy boost you need before your workout. Pair it with some peanut butter for a dose of healthy fats and protein. 2. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is a high-protein snack that can help with muscle recovery. Add some berries for a dose of carbs and antioxidants. 3. Apple slices with almond butter. Apples are another great source of natural sugars, while almond butter provides healthy fats and protein. This combo is perfect for a quick and easy pre-workout snack, post-workout snacks. Now let's move on to post-workout snacks. These are the foods that you can eat after your workout to help your body recover and rebuild. Here are some ideas. 1. Chocolate milk. Believe it or not, chocolate milk is actually a great post-workout drink. It has the perfect ratio of carbs and protein to help with recovery and replenish energy. 2. Protein smoothie. Blend up a protein smoothie with your favorite fruits and veggies for a delicious and nutritious post-workout snack. You can also add some Greek yogurt or almond milk for extra protein. 3. Hard-boiled eggs with avocado. Eggs are a great source of protein, while avocado provides healthy fats. Together, they make for a delicious and filling post-workout snack. There you have it, some healthy snack ideas for pre- and post-workouts. Remember, the key is to eat foods that are high in protein and carbs before and after your workout. Also, make sure to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness and health content.